This is Casey with CX Mods. Today we've got our 2022 Corolla Cross and we're going to be installing our hood strut kit on it. Before we get started, I'm going to go over what's included in the kit. The kit will come with 2 hood struts, 2 hood brackets, and 2 lower brackets. On the hood brackets, the pivot balls will go outward, and then on the bottom brackets, the bracket sides will be on the outside, but the pivot balls will go inward. We'll be reusing the bolts already on the vehicle to mount everything up. Let's get started. We'll be removing 2 12mm bolts, the top one here, and the first bottom one here. You'll be using the top hole on the hood bracket. Careful with this bottom bolt since it can fall into the fender well. Tighten these both down. So now we will install the hood strut. I'm going to start with the top since you can kind of angle it in. And then you might need to turn this a little bit to make sure that it'll mount to the bottom bracket correctly. And you'll probably need to push the hood up a little bit just to get it to align. Now we'll repeat the process on the passenger side. Now that we've finished the insulation on the other side, let's go outside and test out the hood struts while we fill up our washer fluid. As you can see, the hood lifts and holds itself up on its own thanks to the hood struts, so now there's no need to use the hood prop. If you have any questions, please email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.